Alright, we're back at it. We're back at the Gasolina.
Full cup, about a 32 ouncer.
Next to the Penguins. Good shit. Fire here. Gas here. It's gotta be
that's
good.
So full. Holy shit.
Well, let's see it.
Back up. Back the gas can up, dude. This is gonna be bad.
Don't
It's gonna
die.
roll up my beer.
Just be careful, yo. I don't want to see.
Oh.
Holy. Fuck.
Oops. In my yard. I gotta put that out.
Holy shit.
Well, there goes my grass.
Your grass is already dead, I guess.
Oh, that was sweet. Watch this. Ah, I didn't do it.
Sick. Yeah, alright, we gotta watch this shit, man.
God, my feet are on fire. My shoes tightened up. It's so hot from dancing in the
For real?
fire. Yeah, they're literally that tight.